Hello everyone, welcome to our Writing and Editing in Science course. Let me tell you one thing, you are sailing in the right direction. There is no doubt we all know how to write, but you are here today to learn the effective methods in writing and reporting your scientific findings. This course is dedicated to undergraduate or graduate students in science, engineering, medicine, nursing, or pharmacy schools, all who are interested in writing and editing their research or summer project in a professional way, like a pro. You can be at the beginning, in the middle, or even at the end of your research. The course will cover 4 main areas. First, I will talk about how to choose your research topic, write a proposal, start your research, and how to solve problems that you may encounter at the beginning of your research. Second, I will move to the step of collecting your data and writing your research. We will also see how you can write in parallel to your lab work. Thirdly, I will talk about writing tools and styles, writing the method section and reporting data and results, and how to reference other people's work. The last area we will cover during the course is editing your work and reviewing it before sending it to your supervisor or editing company. You will probably think you don't need to learn to edit, but you will learn that you need to edit your work before you let someone else read it or look at your work. I hope you enjoy the course, and remember, writing is the most important part of your research. You write to show your work to others and to prove that you achieved a particular findings.